Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into TD Bank online step by step. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar simply type in TD Bank login. That is TD Bank login, and then you can log in, and then you can hit go or enter on the keyboard. Tap on Easy Web Login under TD Easy Web. You'll have to enter your username or your access card number along with your password, and then hit login. If you have not registered to your TD Bank account online yet, then simply hit register online now, go down, and then hit register. Hit register only if you have not been given a temporary password. Here you must select the type of account that you want to create. Here you'll have to enter your branch number, your plan number, your first name, your last name, your date of birth, your email address, hit next, and follow the on-screen instructions to create your user ID along with your password, and then you'll be able to log into your account after you've created your account. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.